Okay, here's a 340 cuda. I imported from the States. She's rusty, dusty and crusty. She's got a bit of rust here and there in her. Yeah, at the bottom, that quarter panel there, but just a piece would fix that sort of along the bottom. It's got the factory Magnum 500 sort of wheels on it. It's original old H-code 340 cuda. You can see that through on the VIN. Tells you, it's sort of Barracuda, but it's a cuda. Little bit of the old 340 badge left on there. Basically inside here, in the back it's reasonably sort of solid. These cars go pretty bad, but it's the dash and the original wheels still all there. It's got the hump for the manual transmission there. I've got the brand new footwells that come just where your feet go, and so that'll fix it up. The trunk floor's sort of fairly well hit it. But these old cudas, these old Mopars tend to rust quite bad. It's got the cool big sort of oval shaped extensions where your exhaust would come out. You had that 340 small block rumble, and the 73 shape's pretty much the same as the 70, 72, 71, sort of had some gills in their side here. I've got a 70 big block that's been living at the panel beaters for a long time, Barracuda, Grand Sport. But all in all, it's a very rare car and very restoreable.